see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try look I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I'd give it one more try. Turn away and wrestle with my doubts. Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how. Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try look I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times?
Hello LYSFAMILY, let's say thank you to IMETHODE to gladly send us a box of the perfect eyebrows. You can use these perfect eyebrows for making your eyebrow like in 10 seconds if you're a pro. Me, I'm not a pro. You'll see me struggling in this video to apply this product, but if you're pro, you can definitely use these eyebrows in like 10 seconds max. Okay, this is the product. They asked me like past 2 or 3 weeks, I think it's 2 weeks. They sent me an email just to try one of their products, and I say yes. I surprisingly received the product in like 2 days. They tell me I received the product in like 5 days, and 2 days later I received the product. If you check my last unboxing, you'll see. So in this box, they put for you in a cute pouch. They put for you the stencil, the pomade, the sponge brush. I think it's the dual end spoolie and angled brow brush. I just read the back of the box, okay? I'm not a pro. And this is the paper. They put all the information that the poor girl never follow. But me too, I never follow. But I'm not a poor girl. They have 5 shape, okay, 5 shape for each brow. I was shocked because I never know there are 5 shape you can do in your eyebrows. I literally just brush my eyebrows for the past year. I just brush my eyebrow and maybe just put some powder in my eyebrow. The eyebrow color. I just put it on my eyebrow. Just forget what I say. But yes, let's get back. There are 5 shape you can use for your eyebrow. So I tell myself I did nothing today, so let's just do a makeup. Okay, let's just do a clean girl makeup. And this is me using my Garnier jelly cream. I put on my face. And you know what, let me just shut up and let you enjoy my clean girl makeup and writing some information for you in the screen. Okay, so goodbye.
The fear no beat up keeps going on, and the melody on my escape, vibration on my soul, it sends me to that peak. Without no regret, you got no love. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love.